Assalamu alaikum kids. I hope that you all are having a great week. Well, this is your English teacher Miss Javeria with another interesting text lesson today. My dear students, today we are going to start a very interesting chapter, that is unit number 5, All at Sea. Today we are going to start its lesson number 3, which is on page number 26, Bob the Fisherman. So you all must open up your books, open page number 26, and you have to understand the chapter very carefully. On page number 26, in the first exercise, exercise A, one question is given. The question is, what is in Bob's net? Is he happy about it? If you want to find out the answer, we have to read the chapter, we have to read the lesson, and we have to understand the lesson very carefully. So you have to listen to me carefully, you have to listen to my pronunciation and all the explanations to find out the answer. So let's start read this chapter with me. This is Bob. Bob is a fisherman. Every day he goes out to sea. My dear students, on page number 26, in the first picture, as you can see that there is an old man who is standing in a boat. This man is Bob. His name is Bob and he is a fisherman and he goes out to sea every day to catch any kind of sea creature. On Monday, Bob catches a green turtle. It pulls the net and the boat goes up and down. Now they are telling that on Monday, Bob catches a big and strong green turtle. What happened that the turtle was so strong that the boat goes up and down. Oh dear, says Bob. He cuts his net. The turtle swims away. As I have just told you that the turtle was so strong and big, the turtle cut the net and swims away in the sea. Now what happened on the next day, on Tuesday, Bob catches a white octopus. It catches the boat with its 8 legs and the boat goes up and down. As you all know that octopus has 8 strong legs. So what happened that when Bob caught the octopus, the boat goes up and down due to the weight of the octopus and due to its 8 legs. Help, says Bob. He cuts his net. The octopus swims away. Now what happened next? The same thing which happened yesterday on Monday. The octopus also cut the net and swims away in the sea. Excuse me. On Wednesday, Bob catches a grey shark. Now what happened in the next day? We studied about Monday, then Tuesday, and now it comes to Wednesday. On Wednesday, Bob catches a grey shark. It opens its mouth and looks at Bob. The boat goes up and down. Now same thing happened again, that as you all know that shark is very strong. Bob catches a grey shark and his boat goes up and down due to the weight of the shark. Ah, says Bob. He cuts his net, the shark swims away. The same thing happened again. The shark cut the net and swims away in the sea. As you can see in the third picture, you can see that this shark looks so fierce and it's running away. Now what happened? I'm on page number 27 now. Every day Bob goes home without any fish. His children are hungry. I'm sorry, says Bob. There's no fish for you today. Now what happened that every day Bob goes to his home without any food, without any fish, and his children are so very hungry. Bob felt so much sorry to his children because he had nothing to give them to eat. Now in the next picture, on Thursday, Bob goes to sea again. He sees the turtle, the octopus and the shark. They swim to his boat, then they stop. They push lots of fish into his net. Now what happened on Thursday when Bob went to the sea? He was very sad because he could not catch anything. He could not get anything to eat or to feed his children. But what happened on Thursday? The turtle, octopus and the shark, these 3 creatures, he was catching them but they ran away. These 3 creatures came to him and they pushed lots of small fish into his boat. Bob goes home at night, lots of fish today, he says. He was very happy because he had lots of fish. On Friday, Bob's family eat the fish. Lovely fish, that they say. Now what happened on Friday? He caught so many fish on Thursday. due to those sea creatures. And on Friday, Bob's family eat the fish, and his children were so much happy because they ate the fish and they filled their stomachs. They were so hungry, but now they were so happy. Now as we have read this chapter, we have understand the lesson. Let's move towards the exercise A, which was what's in Bob's net? Is he happy about it? Now let's move towards this exercise. I'm going to write down the answer on the board and you have to copy down this work in your notebook. Alright kids, now let's move towards this exercise, which is exercise A on page number 26. The question was given, what is in Bob's net? Is he happy about it? Do you remember what is in Bob's net on the last day, on Thursday? On Thursday, there are lots of fish in his net. So is he happy about it? Yes, of course he was very happy because his children were hungry. So he was happy about it that he got so many fish. So you will write down, yes, he is happy. So my dear students, this is the answer of exercise A. What is in Bob's net? There are lots of fish in his net. Yes, he is happy. Now my dear students, let's move towards the difficult words of this lesson, Bob the Fisherman. This chapter is very interesting and easy to understand. Now let's move towards the difficult words. The first word is catches. Second word is swims. Number 3, turtle. Number 4, boat. Number 5, family. Number 6, lovely. Now let's repeat these words with me along with their spellings. The first one is catches, C-A-T-C-H-E-S, catches. The next word is swims, S-W-I-M-S, swims. The third word is turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E. The next word is boat, B-O-A-T, boat. The fifth word is family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. And the last word is lovely, L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. Let's repeat the words, catches, swims, turtle, boat, family, lovely. Now let's move towards the word sentences of this lesson. I have always encouraged you to make the sentences by your own self. You can make very simple sentences. There is no need to make the difficult ones. The first word here is fish. You can make the sentence like, I have a goldfish. Have you ever seen any goldfish? They are so beautiful and so lovely. They sparkle like a real gold. The next word here is hungry. Here we can also make a very simple sentence just like, she is very hungry. The next word is boat. Ahmad saw a large boat. Now for the next sentence, here we have swim. You can make the sentence like fish swims in the sea. So my dear students, now let's repeat these word sentences with me. Fish, I have a goldfish. Hungry, she is very hungry. Boat, Ahmed saw a large boat. Swim, Fish swims in the sea. So my dear kids, that was all for today's lesson. Today we have studied a very interesting topic that was about sea, Bob the fisherman. We studied about the things of the sea creatures and how he experienced those things, Bob the fisherman. Along with this, we done one exercise, some difficult words and word sentences. I will catch you inshallah next week with another lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.